In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Miro board, a skill that can be especially handy when you want to share your work offline, present it, or simply keep a backup. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your Miro board. So go ahead and log into your Miro account and navigate to the board you wish to download. Once you have it opened, you'll notice some options at the top right corner of your screen. Look for the More menu, which might be represented by a series of 3 dots. This is what you'll click to access more features related to your board. Now that you found the More menu and clicked it, you'll be presented with a few options, but our focus today is specifically on exporting your board. You'll see options like Save as Image or Save as PDF. These options are what allow you to download your board in a format that suits your needs. If you're unsure which format to choose, here's a quick tip. Saving as an image can be great for sharing simple overviews, while a PDF might be more suitable for detailed presentations, as it often retains clarity and formatting better. Before you export, you'll have the opportunity to customize your export settings. Here, you can decide on the area you want to save and adjust the scale to fit your needs. Whether you're exporting the whole board or focusing on a specific section, make sure these settings reflect exactly what you're looking to download. Take a moment to carefully review these selections to ensure your file turns out just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to finalize the export. Go ahead and click the Export button. Your file will begin downloading depending on the size of the board and your internet speed. The download process might take a few moments. Don't worry if your screen doesn't immediately show the download. Sometimes it takes a little bit to prepare the file on the server. And just like that, your Miro board has been successfully downloaded onto your device. You can find the file in your Downloads folder or wherever you typically save new files. From here, you can view, share, or print your board as needed. And there you have it, a simple process to export your hard work from Miro into a file you can easily share or archive. I hope this video has helped clarify any questions you had about downloading from Miro. Keep this method in mind the next time you're wrapping up a project and need to take it offline. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy Miroing.